and good morning, students. Welcome to the third and the last session of our chapter Cube and Cube Roots. Students, today before I start, I just want to remind you all that yesterday I gave 3 Roman numbers from our exercise 7.1 to practice at home. And I hope all my students have done their work. Am I right, students? Yes. And today, first we will see the recap and then topics to discuss. So students, shall I start now? Yes.
Yesterday we saw an interesting pattern how to identify cube number, smallest number by which a number must be multiplied to make it a perfect cube number, and smallest number by which a number must be divided to make it a perfect cube number.
And today we are going to learn what is cube root and its method, that is to find out cube root through prime factorization method and estimation method. Parikshit makes a cuboid of plasticine of side 5 cm, 2 cm, 5 cm. How many such cuboid will he need to form a cube? So students, our question states that Parikshit made a cuboid of measure 5 cm, 2 cm, 5 cm, and now he wants to make it cube. So how many cuboids he will need to turn cuboid into cube? And students, we all know that cube is a solid figure which has all sides equal, that is length, breadth and height, right? And now see the solution, students. We have cuboid of measurement 5 cm, 2 cm, 5 cm. To make cube, we will require cuboid of measurement 5 cm into 2 cm into 2 cm. Now see, students, from where I got this 5, 2 and 2. See, we all know in cube we require any number 3 times. So 2 times already I have, right? So I wrote 1 time. 2 centimeter I have 1 time, so I wrote 2 times. So see, 5 into 2 into 2, that is 20 centimeter cubic unit. And now for you to understand more clearly, student, see the first cuboid measurement 5 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 5 centimeter. When I multiply, I get 50 centimeter cubic unit. And now the new I got 20 centimeter cubic unit. So when I multiply 50 into 20, what will be my answer? 1000 centimeter cubic unit. And we all know 1000 is a cube of 10, right? So basically here my answer will be only 20 centimeter cubic unit because I will require only this much, right? And now students, we will see what is cube root and what are its different methods to calculate cube root. So first we will see what is cube root. What is cube root? Cube root is an inverse operation of finding cube number. The students, this is as same as finding the square root, what we have studied in the 6th chapter. And now see the symbol of cube root. We all know this is symbol of square root, and when I write 3 over there, it becomes symbol of cube root. And how we pronounce it? See, cube root of 27 equal to 3. Cube root of 64 equal to 4. And now students, we will see that we have two methods to calculate cube root. One is cube root through prime factorization and second is cube root through estimation method. And now students, first we will see cube root through prime factorization method. See here what question we have? 8000. So first we will find the prime factors. 8000 is divisible by 2. How many times? 4000 times. 4000 is again divisible by 2. 2000 times. 2000 is again divisible by 2. 1000 times. 1000 is again divisible by 2. 500 times. 500 is again divisible by 2. 250 times. 250 is again divisible by 2. 125 times. And now 125 is divisible by 5 25 times, and 25 again divisible by 5 5 times, and 5 again divisible by 5 1 times. To see what factors I got for 8000, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, 5 into 5 into 5. And now students, the important part of this sum. Whenever I get any factor for the 3 times, I will be writing it only one time. Remember, one time. So see, first I got 2 3 times, so I wrote one time. Again I got 2 3 times, I wrote one time. And then I got 5 3 times, I wrote one time. Alright. And now simply we are going to multiply the numbers. See, 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So see what number I got? 20. So what is cube root of 8020? See students, when I multiply 23 times, I get 8000. Now students, in our exercise 7.2, Roman number 1 deals with the same sum. That is, we have to find out cube root through prime factorization method. So you all have to practice at home. And now students, we will see cube root through estimation method. See students, the word estimation. What does it mean? A rough calculation, right? So, can we totally depend on this method? No, because the cube root value may differ. So, it is always preferable to find cube root through prime factorization method. And now, estimation method. For estimation method, students, we should know the cube number from 1 to 9 perfectly, right? And I know all my students knew it. And now see the question. What do I have? 857375. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to make group of 3. And from where I'm going to start? I'm going to start from my last, that is ones, tens, 100, right? So see my first group 375, and what is my second group? 857. And now this second step. See students, in this what I am going to do, I am going to note the unit place of my group 1. What do I have? 5, right? And the same unit place 5 I am going to note again in my cube number, where I get 125. And 125 is cube of 5. So I wrote 5 over there, right? And now see the second step. Next step, that means see my group 2. What in this I am going to see the whole number. See 857. And now see, where does 857 lies between the cube numbers? That is 729 and 1000, right? It should be in between of 729 and 1000. So see how I wrote. 729 is less than 857 is less than 1000, and I know 729 is cube of 9 and 1000 is cube of 10. So obviously the 857 should lie between 9 cube and 10 cube, right? So what I am going to write? The previous number. Remember the previous number. So I will be taking 9. So what is cube root of 8,57,375? So that is 95. Students, let's take one more example. See, now I have 17576. So what I am going to do first? First I am going to make group. Yes, from the last. So what is my group 1? 576. And now for the second group, I have only two numbers, 1, 7. So that's okay, no problem. And now my next step. What I am going to do? I am going to note the last unit place, right? What do I have? 6. And again that 6 I am going to note in my cube number. Where do I have 6 in the unit place? That is 216, right? So 216 is cube of 6. So I wrote 6 over there. And now note this second group. 17. So where does 17 lies between? So 17 lies between 8 and 27. So see I wrote 8 is less than 17. 17 is less than 27. And I know 8 is cube of 2 and 27 is cube of 3. So see, 2 cube is less than 17 and 17 is less than 3 cube. So as I said, we will be taking the previous number. So what I am going to take? 2. So see, what is cube root of 17,576? That is 26. And now students, see our exercise 7.2, Roman number 3. In this also we have to find cube root through estimation method. And see what word they have used. Guess the cube root. So obviously guess is an estimation method. And you all have to practice at home. And students, with this our chapter 7 cube and cube roots get over. Before I say bye to all my students, I am back with 2 more tricks to calculate cube number, which I told you in my previous session. So students, shall we start now? Yes. Students, yesterday we saw the trick to calculate cube numbers of 11, 12, 21, 31, right? That is 1 in its ones place and 1 in its tens place. And today we are going to see the trick of calculating cube number of same number, that is 22, 33, 44, right? And here I have given you the example 22 cube, that is 10648. What I am going to do first I am going to put 4 dash, right? 4 blank space, and then I am just going to find the cube of the number. What is my number? 2. So what is cube of 2? 8. And 8 I am going to fill in all the 4 blanks, right? And then I am going to leave my first and the last. See, I have put cross for them, and then again I am going to put 2 dash. And there what I am going to do? I am going to double the number. What is double of 8? 16. Again, what is double of 8? 16. And then simply I am going to add the numbers. See, 8 plus 16, that is 24. So 4 I wrote down and 2 carry forward. Again 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 16, 26. So 6 I wrote down and 2 carry forward. 2 plus 8, 10. See, I got 10648. And now students, we will learn the trick of calculating cube number of different numbers, that is 24, 42, 36, 59, right? Here I have given you the example of 36 cube, that is 46656. In this also, first what I am going to do? First I am going to put 4 dash, right? And then what I am going to do now? First I will take my unit place. What do I have? 6. So what is cube of 6? 216. So that I will write in my last dash, right? And now what I have in my tens place? 3. So what is cube of 3? 27. So that I am going to write in my first dash. And now the most important part, students, that is middle 2 dash. See carefully here what I am going to do. First I will take my second dash, right? So here what I am going to do? I am going to do the square of tens place and multiply with ones. Remember it? Square of tens place and multiply with ones. So see what I have in my tens place? 3. So what is square of 3? 9. And when I multiply 9 with 6, I will get 54. And now see the third dash. In this what I am going to do? In this I am going to square the ones place and multiply with tens. Remember, going to do the square of ones place and multiply with tens. That is, what do I have in my ones place? 6. So what is square of 6? 36. And when I multiply 36 with 3, I get 108, right? And then next step, I am going to leave my first and last, right? So I put cross for them, and now again I am going to draw 2 blank space. That is, and there I am going to do double. See, what is double of 108? 216. What is double of 54? 108. And now simply I am going to add 216. So obviously I will write only the last unit place. So 6 over there and 21 carry forward. So 21 plus 108 plus 216 will give me 345. So 5 I wrote down and 34 carry forward. Again I will add 34 plus 54 plus 108. So what I will get? 196. So 6 down and 19 carry. 19 plus 27 gives 46. So see student, what I got? 46656. That is cube of 36. And now bye to my students and keep practicing sums and stay safe.